Alright guys, welcome to CAD MADE Easy. Okay, let's see what we have next for today. Okay, so let's see what we have. Let's see quickly. Okay, so we've been able to go through a lot of the training. So this time we're going to be looking at Archicad. We're going to look at Archicad. So I'm not going to be doing detailed design on Archicad, but if you want to learn Archicad, you want to be professional in Archicad, you can contact me. Okay, my number is right there. Then also, like I said initially, this is CAD Made Easy. Okay, CAD Made Easy. You can find CAD Made Easy on YouTube, or you can get our app. Our app is simple to get. Okay, so just scan the QR code on your screen now. Scan this QR code. You're going to get the web address. You open it, then save it. It's going to ask you to save it on your home screen, as an app. So you save it, so you can always get access to all our free internet. All our free training on the internet. Okay, on our YouTube channel. Okay. Alright, so quickly I'm going to take you through Archicad very quickly. I'm going to take you through Archicad. So I have this open already. These are some of the designs I have on Archicad. So let's see the 3D of this is a building design of a classroom, with a hallway, okay, with balcony. It's a 2-story design. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is good. So this is it. This is the design we just checked now. Sorry, I made a mistake there. Okay. Alright, let me update this. Okay. So this is it. This is a classroom block. Okay, everybody in their classroom. This was done with Archicad 2017, but I'm using Archicad 24. Okay, you can see the cars parked. So you can do something like this. Okay, you can become very professional in designing stuff like this. Let me still walk you through some of other designs I have here. Let me walk you through some designs. Just a few minutes. I'm going to walk you through some designs I have already. Okay, so I have another design here. Okay, you can see the landscaping even from the 2D. Okay, so we're going to check this out in 3D quickly. Let's see. Let's quickly check this out on 3D. Okay, so this is it. Very unique. Let's orbit through it. Okay, this is a design I did for a church somewhere. See how beautiful it is. This is done with Archicad. You can see how nice this looks. Okay, so you can become a professional. You can do things like this too. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, if you want to learn, you can always contact me and we can have a deal. Okay, so this is Archicad. Archicad. This is a security post. You can see the security man there, and you can see the parking area. Let me take you to the backyard. Okay, so we have other attached buildings on the back. Alright, so let me quickly take you into the building so you see the setup inside. Just for the altar, don't forget this is the church, so you can see that. Okay, sorry, let's go in through the window. Okay, so you see that, looking so cool. Okay, this is the inside of the building. Okay, so you can see perfectly. So this was done with Archicad. Okay, alright guys, so if you want to learn any of this software, don't forget CAD Made Easy. You can subscribe to this channel and you can send me a direct message. Like I said, you can always reach me through this phone number. And if you've not gotten our app, scan the QR code, visit the site, and get access to some of the free tutorials we have there. Okay, see you on our next class.